relationship. It was just so much loss that it was so much to deal with that I just felt like I was in broken pieces. Paul says, I had a relationship with a girl that ended up falling out of my life because she lived in the same city, but on another side. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes those long distance relationships can be very difficult. I'm sorry to hear that to you and to anybody who is dealing with a loss of a romantic relationship. You know, I'm no doctor, I'm not a therapist. I'm just a life coach, and I share my experiences transparently. And I know one of the best things that I did when I had a bad breakup was you have to start getting into a normal routine, you know, getting back into taking care of yourself, which sometimes we don't when we're in relationships, not just romantic, with friends, with your family, with other people, and then it breaks up or something happens and you have a falling out. You have to get back into doing some things that fills up your cup and makes you feel good about yourself, whether it's getting a hobby or hanging out. But you got to get out and start experiencing life again. I know when I felt broken for a really long period of time, I didn't want to. I wanted to sit and feel sorry for myself. I wanted to blame myself and keep saying why me, and that's all good. That's a part of your healing and your grieving process, but at the same time you can't stay there. So to anybody who is just in that routine of feeling so down and discouraged and you just want to sleep the day away or just stay inside, you don't want to go anywhere, you don't want to interact with other people, you're kind of isolating yourself, my recommendation is, even if it's a small period of time, 15 to 30 minutes, even just going outside, going for a walk, but taking some time to go out and to experience life again. Sometimes you have to do it in stages, and some people can just jump right in and get back into being around a lot of people again. But for me, I had to take it little by little, you know, like 30 minutes, go for a walk, go to the park, and go to a restaurant, take yourself somewhere, because we don't always have to wait for friends or family or a relationship to treat ourselves. And I know for me, when I was broken, I didn't I didn't want to go out without. I kind of like wanted to be in a crowd to get some support. So for some, until you feel strong enough, go out with somebody that you trust, go out with a friend or a relative or somebody so that you can get some support. I think everybody needs somebody to lean on, but not everybody that we have around us are good, healthy relationships. There's a lot of people in our lives that are very dysfunctional. Paul says, I wanted to walk a lot, but it took me so much time to heal. It's like it takes a long time to get on that routine again when you're out of options. Yes. I know exactly how that feels. I can't say I know how you feel, but I know how that feels. It's like starting all over again, and it's the newness of everything. You know, the first time you go somewhere, for me it was like going to places that I used to go to with my parents, or going to a place that I used to go to with my friends, or things that you used to do with your significant other, boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, or whoever it is. When you start doing things all over again by yourself, it can be difficult, but the more that you do things and get out there and enjoy life, start planning something for yourself. You don't have to wait for a date or a friend or this person or that person. Plan something for yourself. Do something fun. I like to always have something to look forward to. Plan a solo vacation. Plan a dinner date for yourself, and treat yourself to something nice. Treat yourself to a nice dinner. Go to a nice park, or whatever it is that you like to do. Go to a concert, but get out there once again, because the feeling is, we a lot of times want to feel like, oh, we're not affected by it. And we tell ourselves things sometimes just so that we can get over things